Today we're going to make royal icing. You can find this recipe posted on thecookiecountess.com under recipes and tutorials. Step 1 is adding 1/3 of a cup of meringue powder to the bowl of your stand mixer. Next, add 1/2 cup of warm water. Attach the whisk attachment and mix until doubled in size, about 1 to 2 minutes, scraping down your bowl as needed. Don't overmix. Once your meringue mixture has doubled, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, like Genie's Dream Clearly Not Vanilla, 1/4 to 1 teaspoon of butter flavoring. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of our delicious buttery goodness flavoring here, and up to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or lemon extract. This step is optional, but the lemon really cuts the sweetness of the icing nicely. Mix until just incorporated. Add 1 pound of powdered sugar to your bowl. You can just eyeball it and pour in about 1/2 of a 2-pound bag. Swap your whisk attachment for your paddle in your mixer. Mix till just incorporated and scrape down your bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup and mix until just incorporated. Now add the 2nd pound of powdered sugar and mix until fully incorporated for about 2 to 3 minutes. Scrape down your bowl about halfway through and continue mixing. You'll notice that your icing will start out a slightly yellowy white color and will start to turn white and fluffy as you mix. This is exactly what we're looking for. Don't overmix though, or your icing can collapse and will not dry properly on your cookies. When finished, you'll have a stiff white icing that is perfect for stenciling, flowers, and any details requiring a stiff consistency icing. Add small amounts of water to reach a thinner consistency for piping and for fun.